All right. Next week, we want to cover Advanced Express, some things we've missed until now. Authentication. How can you add authentication to your backend? How do people, not exactly how people sign up, sign in, but very close to that. How you can create a simple username, password thingy on your backend. Middlewares. If you remember last week, we tried something like this. We did a app.use express.json. What is this use is what we will cover. And authentication I covered. Global catches. If there is ever, a crash on your server, how can you catch that crash and how can you give a good status message to the end user is another thing we will cover next week. After we've done all of this, we can say we're at a decent state in Express, and then we can do databases before we move on to the front end. So this is what we have to cover next week. If you want to not get overwhelmed, at least middlewares try to cover yourself. It will help you. This will be the most difficult thing in the Express part next week.